So real quick on how to remove this center console on a Mazda B22 or B2000. Most of the times the center console like that comes on the extended cap, as you can see here. This is my parts truck, so I'm trying to take it off. On one of my other videos I had already said that I have found one of this ones luckily, and for some reason this one I can't tell if it was painted black or if it's factory black. I'm not 100% sure if they ever came factory black. I'm almost thinking they didn't. I want to say this one might have been painted. There's a lot of quote-unquote custom stuff on this truck, but as you can see down there, there's a big hole, and that's not good. But to remove it, you need to get those two holes out. Sometimes there'll be a little cover in there, kind of like this. This is really old school, probably factory. You have to remove those two bolts. Then on the center there might be another little cover, as you can see over here. You remove that, and then you'll have two more bolts, and then the last two are going to be right here in the end, one here and one on the other side. So you can see this one's a little crack, definitely a little worse than my other console I have found, but I'll try to clean it up, and maybe I'll sell it or decide what I'm going to do with it. But really easy. Once you get all those bolts off of it, this should all come out. There's one whole piece. Don't forget to take your shift knob off, and then this all should, as you can see, it's almost coming off. I just need to loosen the two bolts back here. So let's go ahead and do that. It is off now, and as you can see, it all just comes off. Like that, I have a t-shirt or something on there. Hopefully that's not underwear. But it all comes out, and it's ready to get taken off the car. So let's pull it out. Now you got your center console out.